Sir, it is inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. These are belong to Meghalaya. Sir, Article 29 of the Constitution provides that a section of citizens having a distinct language, script of culture have the right to conserve the same. Under the Meghalaya State Legislature Act 2005, Garo and Khasi have been declared as associate official languages of the state.
MLA ka Jila Meghalaya uberinak seng Trinamool Congress uberinak Umroy constituency uba George B. Lyngdoh Ulaong ba ulapan pawe gajing songo ya kinong yalam jong ka seng Trinamool Congress kamtam ya ka Mamta Banerjee nang tapre u General Secretary Hakari u Abhishek Banerjee kinong yalam hak Lok Sabha ba Rajya Sabha kibala kershan lang ya kibriyo bat kinong shokshnong hak Jila Meghalaya Uloong ba kila ra ekamat ke bakong san bha ke bede bagajela kata da ke badawa ban kentup ke ktien Khasi Garo hapo ka it schedule jong kriti sensyari uba George B. Lyngdoh uloong ba ompat ji menuru ba ka sengsan partai jonggari na ka National Party bagan ra ekasur jong ki MLA bat ki MP ki ba mi khmat ki breu gajela ba ken lej ban penpau gajeng persya akhmat jok yang dorbar parliament ban dawa ban kentup ke ktien Khasi Garo hak it schedule jong kriti sensyari Uloong ba kalong ke bakam kong san syu ban pensngo ki sur jong ki breu gejela om tang habar jong ke yang dorbar parliament nrei wat hapo jong ka yang dorbar Uloong ba kane ke jeng persang kadang yai beteng om dei tang ke jeng kentup ikini ktien nrei on ekran ru iki wei ki mat ke bakta ke jela kadang ban pensngo ya ke sur jong ki breu gejela ulapan paur ke jeng songo iki breu ke baju kersan kibala yang rengkat berkeseng bat kibayang bandawa na kebenta kimat kibakta ya kejela berkobai kamtam hakabede bekejing kentup ya ktien Khasi bat ktien Garo.
Khasi is an Afro-Asiatic language spoken primarily in Meghalaya and in the hill districts of Assam. Garo is a Tibeto-Burman language of the Boro Konyak Jingpo group closely related to Bodo. It is primarily spoken in Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Nagaland. According to the census 2011, there are over 13 lakh 46.5% Khasi speakers and over 9 lakh 31.5% Garo speakers. Issue in inclusion of these two languages has been the lack of their own original scripts. Sir, in April 27 September 2018, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly adopted a resolution to petition the central government to include the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. We urge the Union government to take cognizance of the state's demand to include Garo and Khasi in the 8th schedule, sir.
Now, on this historic day, I would like to thank our party leaders, especially our Honourable Chairperson, Srimati Mamta Banerjee ji, our Honourable National General Secretary, Shri Abhishek Banerjee ji, our leaders in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, who have really stood by us as a state, who stood by us as a people and citizens of Meghalaya, and they have raised a very important point and a demand of including the Khasi and Garo languages under the 8th schedule. Never before has a national party taken the voices of the MLAs who represent the people of the state, taken the voices of the MPs who represent the people of the union and the people of the country at large, together where we stood outside parliament and demanded for the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages under the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. It is indeed much more important to note that the voices were not raised not only outside Parliament, but the voices were also raised inside Parliament. So therefore, this kind of an effort will continue, not only for the issue of Khasi and Garo languages and their inclusion in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, but as a party, and especially as a national party that has got a presence across the country, we pledge to the people of the state that we will keep on raising the issues that are pertinent to the people, the needs of the people of the state, and to fight for the people of the state and their benefits. So therefore, we once again thank the people who have been standing by us, who have been supporting the party and supporting this very, very important cause of including the Khasi and Garo languages under the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India.